Purpose and importance of exam AZ303. The first thing we need to recognize is that instead of focusing on products the way Microsoft used to with their certifications, they now focus on job roles. And this slide shows an earlier version of the original Azure role-based certifications, but it's still valid in terms of we still have 3 tiers of those credentials. We have the 900 series exams. This is the fundamentals level, and what's interesting about the fundamentals tier is that those exams are written for both technical and non-technical professionals. They don't get too deep into the subject matter. AZ900 is called Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, and it's an excellent starting point for anybody who's interested or who needs to work and know about Microsoft Azure. The mid-tier in Microsoft's role-based certification portfolio is called the Associate tier, and this is where you have particular job roles. Normally, you've got to pass just one exam to earn these, like AZ104 to earn your Azure Administrator Associate, AZ204 to earn your Azure Developer Associate. In the exercise files, I link to the index of all of the role-based certifications, all of the 900 series ones, all of the associate level exams. And then lastly, we have the expert level. There are fewer of these because these presume the most industry experience. Now, there are no hard-coded requirements as far as your experience goes. Technically, you could pass an expert level certification credential with little experience in Azure, but I've never met somebody who is able to do that. I guess it's theoretically possible. What I'm saying is that the only prerequisites that are hard, that I'm aware of, would be, for example, as you can see on the slide, the Azure DevOps Engineer Expert. It's actually now called Microsoft DevOps Engineer Expert. That one does have a hard prerequisite where you have to have either your Azure Administrator or your Azure Developer Associate cert in addition to passing the AZ400 Microsoft DevOps exam to earn that credential.